Well, I got this package from Jody Sims, and this should be my winnings from the Deathrace 2023. I can't even talk. My winnings from the Deathrace 2023 race that he had on his YouTube channel. I haven't opened this yet, and I try to remember to cut these things open ahead of time. But, oops, I hadn't done this one yet. I should have brought a better knife to handle this, but hey. Do what we can here. Jody taped the heck out of this. Now I know how people feel when they open packages I send. Okay. That. That. Side. Let's see what we have here. Bubble wrap. Oh. Sticky note. The Screamliner. These are extra goodies apparently he threw in. I know I didn't win a Screamliner. I only won one race, which actually was a crowning achievement for me since I usually get knocked out right away. Something in a box. There's a note. Let's see what the note says. Canada Day concept art. It's original Jody artwork. Oh, stickers. Howdy, thanks for taking part in Deathrace 2023. Had fun doing it. Enclosed is the custom you won from BJ's Customs. That's the one I won. Plus some other fun stuff. Thanks for being a part of the event. Hope all is well. Take care and God bless. Jody. Jode Zero. Okay, and we got stickers. Mike's Mods and Customs. Spork Syndicate. Santa Swow Dog. Miniature Mustangs. Oh, and this little foam Deathrace 2023 logo. That's cool. That's cool. I needed those stickers. I don't have those stickers yet, so that's pretty cool. So man, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Let's just empty the box. Oh, cool. I think that's just all. Okay. Move the box to the side. We got the Honda Monkey Z50. That's so cool. I love that. And that is the Evil Twin. I've had encounters with the Evil Twin before. There was a Blade Runner Evil Twin build that I did a while back. From the car Santa Swow Dog sent me. I know you love the kit paint. Jode Zero. Let's see what this is. Ah, there we go. Oh, wow. Oh, this is too funny. A Baja Breaker kid paint. I just got some Baja Breakers. Actually, I have one sitting right over here. I just got some Baja Breakers in a box opening. So now I've got another one I can mess with. This even looks like it comes with dirt. Cool. Ah, okay, so let me set that aside. That's that. What do we have here? Oh, this is one of the things Jody... Oh! It's the gun shop. He painted it all up. And because I had sent the 3D printed components, but they weren't painted or anything. And so, Deathrace 2023, Jode Zero. Oh, it's the Chase, number 007. That's cool. I really like how you did that, Jody. That turned out really nice. And then this must be my prize, my victory. Let's see. There we go. This is the car by Brandon over at BJ's Customs. Ah, yes. I remember defeating him on the field of battle. That turned out cool, BJ. That turned out really cool. Oh, I like the way the flamethrower, that is neat. Whoa, I actually won a match. And there's my prize, my victory prize. Thanks for this, everybody. Check out Jody Sims' YouTube channel. And the Deathrace 2023 videos are on the live section of his video. They were live streams that he did. Be sure and check out BJ's Customs. And everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to go on to more victory next year.